Hello everybody and welcome back again, yet to another picture on the channel. So, today I actually have two of my old RC helicopters. I had so much fun with these two. You can't even imagine. The helicopters is so much fun to drive inside, and I actually haven't been driving them in like a couple of years now, because I think they need pretty much like configurations, and if you crash and something gets bent, it's pretty much hard to drive them. But yeah, they're fun little things, really fun. So one is just like plastic, everything is plastic, and one is of aluminum. And I don't really know the scale of them, but yeah. So, what can we tell you about these two helicopters? I think they're just like, what do you call it, two-channel, because you can go to the front and up and down and to the sides. That's pretty much it. So we can try to turn one on. I think this one is for that one. I just put that one on and I push this one up. Then you can see that they are blinking. Actually, I'm gonna shut them off. Do you see the blinking? I can put on the other one too. Always put on the controller first. So they have a pretty nice look to it, to like go around in the darker room or something also. It's pretty easy to see. And I know one of them has the you're supposed to be able to fire stuff, like, so you can shoot each other down. I don't know which one is which right now, but yeah. So let's see if there is any power in them. Yeah, really low battery. So they're like, yeah, they don't want to work. Can try the other one. Yeah, that actually works. That's pretty cool. So we can just put you right there, and we can see if we can fly a little bit. Yeah, it could fly. It can fly. Let's see if we can get that on film, maybe. I'm just gonna go straight up. Yeah, that's how good it is. Right now it's not balanced or nothing, but it's like I'm going full speed and nothing is happening. So I don't know if it's the connection or if it is the battery. But yeah, there it goes. It is so bad battery on it. Yeah, it really needs a charge. But there you have it. My two old helicopters that I used to drive inside. I haven't had a helicopter I can drive outside, but maybe one day. I've been thinking about getting a drone, because drones look awesome. So I don't know what else we can tell you about them. There's a charger. You open here, and there's a little cord inside. You just plug it in, and then it charges up the helicopter. I'm not gonna do that now though. It's the same thing on the other one. supposed to be a charger somewhere right here. Just pull out the cord and then you charge the helicopter by the controller. They are really easy and nothing much. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this picture too, and if you liked it, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Maybe you can just subscribe to like this channel or this channel, or maybe you want to watch this movie or this movie. It's all up to you. So yeah, see you.